For this exercise, we are going over a independent mobilization of the hip joint. So in this case, you just need a strong foundation to put a power band strapped up to. I'm going to demonstrate on my left hip just for ease of a visual with the camera being where it is. And you would step through with the leg that you want to work on. And then if you were to bend your hip up, right where that crease is where you want that bend to fit. So trying to get that band right up in that crease. And then here, you're just crawling forwards until you feel like you have distant, like crawling forwards until you have a decent stretch on the band where it's pulling backwards. And then what we're doing at this point is you're sitting back, you're thinking about driving your butt backwards towards the band, and the band is going to pull that hip joint backwards to stretch the back of the hip. When you're in the bottom, you can work on little tiny pulses to get a gradual progression of that joint mobilization. You can come back up out of it and go back in. You can even preference, so in this case I'm working my left hip. The line of drive right now is directly backwards. You can angle yourself ever so slightly towards the leg that you're mobilizing and then work back. And that can sometimes help get a bigger stretch on the back of that hip. This will help with things such as hip flexion or bringing the knee up towards your chest, as well as hip internal rotation.